Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about notebook repair service in Sydney, New South Wales. Are you having issues with your laptop? Is it running slow, experiencing frequent crashes, or just not turning on at all? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with these kinds of problems, and it can be frustrating trying to figure out how to fix them. That's where our notebook repair service comes in. We're a team of experienced technicians based in Sydney, and we specialize in repairing all kinds of laptops and notebooks. No matter what the issue is, we can help. So, how does it work? It's simple. Just bring your laptop to our repair shop, or if you're unable to come in person, you can send it to us through the mail. We'll diagnose the problem and give you a quote for the repair. Once you give us the go-ahead, we'll get to work fixing your laptop as quickly as possible. Our team uses only the highest quality parts and tools, and we have a strict policy of testing all repairs before returning the laptop to you. We also offer a 90-day warranty on all of our repairs, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your laptop is in good hands. If you're in the Sydney area and you're in need of a notebook repair, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. We'll be happy to help you get your laptop running like new again. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.